Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. In the US guys, this Dodge Journey is actually Dodge Journey, but the rest of the world that thing is known as Fiat Freemont. What we'll show you guys today, if your power locks do not work, okay, power locks do not work, which fuse guys to check and which fuse is responsible, okay, for your power locks. So, okay, when you click that button and if it doesn't work, okay, we'll show you guys the fuse for that. Also, if you try to lock the car with the remote and it doesn't work, again, check that. So, we're going to open the hood now. Doesn't matter which engine you have guys, completely irrelevant. You have fuses guys under the hood and you have some fuses inside, okay, behind the glove box. We need to find, okay, the fuse box under the hood. This is your fuse box. Now let me show you how you open. You can see these two things. Squish them towards each other, okay, and when you squish them you can see it releases, okay, the teeth and you can pull it out. If you open the box this way, you're going to see that's your layout, fuse layout corresponding to what we have on the right side. Now the fuse that we need to find for the power locks, it's fuse 140, okay, it's this fuse right there. So looking at it guys, okay, it will be this fuse right there, 30 amp fuse. This is a little bitty fuse. All the fuse and parts guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. We'll get the fuse puller now. Okay, grab the fuse, shake it a little bit left and right. Okay, and eventually you will pull it out. You can see guys, those are hard to find fuses, so check out the description of the video guys, you'll see where we get them from for a very good price compared to going to the parts store. Now this is the fuse right here. I'm going to grab the new one quick and let us show you how you test the fuse now. Okay, testing a fuse pretty simple. You have to have the voltmeter, okay, on continuity here, and if you touch the two elements on the bottom, you're going to see the voltmeter going to 0 and hear a beep. Okay, if it's burned, it will be showing 1. If it's working, it will be close to 0. You have connection. Okay, just like that. So this is the good fuse. All we have to do now guys, okay, you have to make sure that it doesn't matter if it goes left or right, but you have to make sure that it aligns really good so you don't bend any of the little things here, okay, and push it all the way in, okay, just like that. Don't forget to install your fuse puller because you'll need it for next time. So that's how you guys remove it and replace it. That's the fuse for the power box. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.